Hello viewer, if your Instagram direct message not working, let's see how to fix Instagram DM not working problem. Step 1. Tap and hold on Instagram app. Click on I button. Now scroll down, go to Instagram storage. Now clear cache data from Instagram app. Now go back and follow the second step. Open Instagram app. Click on Instagram profile from the lower right corner. Click on 3 line from the top right corner. Scroll down, find out help option. Click on help. Tap on report a problem. Click on report problem. Don't include and continue. Now in the report box, briefly explain what happens or what's not working for you. So in the report box, write down, "Hi Instagram support team, my Instagram direct message or DM not working. Please fix this issue as soon as possible." Then send a report to the Instagram support team. Now go back, follow the third step, open Google Play Store, or if you're an iPhone user, open your App Store. Search Instagram app. From here, update your Instagram app. So if you want to fix Instagram direct message not working or Instagram DM not working, please follow these 3 steps.